Would you like to design an inclusive city camp with MVRDV? Yacademy's course in Architecture for Inclusion asks students to imagine an ideal model of city camp in Genoa, which can become a reference for the future expansion of the Dinamo City Camp in Italy and abroad.
Dinamo Academy è la scuola del progetto sociale Dinamo Camp, che nel 2007 inizia il suo percorso di offerte di vacanze gratuite a bambini affetti da patologie gravi, croniche o importanti disabilità.
Hi, I'm Sergio Jimenez. I'm an Associate Director at MVRDB. I will be the tutor for the design workshop of Architecture for Inclusion. When I work with the students, I usually bring the professional methodology that we have in the office, trying to use the design as a tool to change the world.
With the design workshop of Architecture for Inclusion, students will create a city camp that ensures efficiency, hospitality, and quality, becoming a practical means of well-being, participation, and solidarity.
Dai progettisti ci aspettiamo che la vostra professionalità ci aiuti a pensare ad un modello di city camp replicabile su tutto il territorio nazionale.
As a tutor, I feel myself somebody that really more guides than direct. I'm very happy when I see that my students, they have very different styles or approaches.
Through the course, students will learn practically how to create a space that generates a sense of community and inclusion, combining functionality and feelings.
I really expect the students to reflect on both the program, typology, location, to think also what the program brings to the experience. And I think in this case also the subject of the course is super interesting.